Ready to unlock the future of AI-generated video with Sora? Let's get you set up with an account. This tutorial will guide you through every step, ensuring you can start creating stunning AI content in no time. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the official Sora AI platform. Look for the primary website. Once you're there, locate and click on the Sign Up or Get Started button. This is your gateway to everything Sora offers. You'll be presented with a registration form. Here's where you'll enter your essential details. Typically, this includes a valid email address and a strong, unique password. Make sure to choose a password you won't forget, but is difficult for others to guess. You might also need to create a username. Once you submit your initial registration, Sora will likely send a verification email to the address you provided. Keep an eye on your inbox, and don't forget to check your spam or junk folders, just in case. Click the verification link within that email to confirm your account. Depending on your region and Sora's current access policies, you might be prompted to join a waitlist or explore different access tiers. If you're joining a beta program, there might be specific instructions or agreements to review. Read through any terms of service or privacy policies carefully. For full access to Sora's powerful features and to unlock its complete capabilities, you may be required to verify your identity. This is a common security measure for AI platforms. Follow the on-screen prompts, which might involve uploading a government-issued ID or taking a selfie. This process helps ensure the security and integrity of the platform. Congratulations! After completing these steps, your Sora AI account should be successfully created. You'll now have access to the platform's interface, where you can begin exploring its incredible AI video generation tools. Get ready to bring your creative visions to life.